Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error. To fix this error, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Over here you can see x86 and x64 file. You have to download both the files, x86 and x64. Download and run both the exe file. So let the download complete. Now run both the exe file, that is x86 file and x64. If you see repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install. Click on yes to allow. Install this x64 file as well. Again, if you see repair, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install. Click on yes to allow. And let the installation complete. Make sure both the files are installed. Once installed, restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. You should not receive this error, but still you are receiving this error, then open Windows settings. You can go to apps and then go to apps and features in Windows 10. In Windows 11, click on install apps and then find Microsoft Visual C++ file. Let me close this. So scroll down and find Microsoft Visual C++ file. Here you can see. Now you can uninstall this, also uninstall this x64 version, also uninstall this x86 version. Uninstall it, and after the uninstall, restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can go to the same website and then download and install both x86 and x64. Once again, install both the files and then check. So that should help you to fix this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.